Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Microwave Me. Today, I'm going to be microwaving what is by far the largest item on this show that I have microwaved to this point. Thought that silly string can was big. You thought some of them other food items were big, like the coconut. You thought all these different things I microwaved that filled up a decent portion of it were big. Well, you ain't seen nothing yet till you seen me microwave this watermelon. In fact, this watermelon's so big it can't fit inside any of the other microwaves besides Jareth. It wouldn't fit inside Lindsay and it wouldn't fit inside Quincy, so the Kenmore BEAST is going to be having the microwave duties for this big watermelon here. I'm hoping it provides an awesome show for everybody to see. For this one, I'm going to do 4 tea light candles. And for this experiment, the biggest thing I ever microwaved, I'm going to be taking lots of precautions, such as starting the microwave with the remote arm. I mean, you saw what that little jar of baby food did. That little bitty jar of baby food, how it boomed that microwave good. So just imagine what a big ass watermelon could do. So, without further ado, let's get microwaving. Now, here's the process of placing the melon into the microwave. Right? I'm going to set it for 20 minutes. Back up. Then get this show on the road. Well, that was weird. Let's see what happened. The watermelon. I was hoping it would split like most watermelons do. Possibly even kaboom. Looks like it might have split the underside a little. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, there's a split. But it didn't really split open and spray like most watermelons do. I think the problem is that I microwaved a watermelon the size of a Thanksgiving turkey. Most watermelons that people microwave are about half that size. Maybe twice as big as a coconut, but no, I had to go and get the big one, and I microwaved it for over a half hour. Literally. I added time. Still, couldn't get the damn thing to split. Well, that's me being a dumbass, getting a giant watermelon. But at least I can say it's the biggest watermelon ever microwaved. Leaked a little bit of watermelon juice, it looks like. I don't even know, I don't care what that is. This is real disappointing. I was hoping that it would really be awesome. I was hoping for boom, like on those Brainiacs, but at the very least it would split open. Now after that baby food, this is a real letdown. Now, whether or not you should actually microwave a watermelon, no. The idea behind a watermelon is a cool watermelon on a hot day, not a hot watermelon on a hot day, or even a hot watermelon on a cool day. I mean, I guess it's technically safe to microwave, but why would you really want to?